Today I'm opening this Kinder Joy egg. Alright, already got the sticker. I got this. Alright. Just take the key. This is the key.
Nak. Gusto mo mag-birthday dito sa na ay mga yayay na bata?
Dili.
Hindi ka itong mga upaw sila na bata
Huh?
ka. Upaw sila kaya na yayay sila.
Upaw. Di ko.
Para mahati sila.
Alright. Di ko. It's not
naman?
locked. Di lang ko. It's not yet locked.
Sige na, i-friend natin sila.
So let's... Wait, no. Fell down. Wait. Alright. It's not locked yet.
Kuya ha, again, I tell you, doon ni ha, unahon ni furot ni naang diri sa kamay na.
Alright, is it locked? Oh man. Oh, wait. Oh. Wait. Alright, let's put it in. And then lock it. Lock it. You don't unlock. Is it locked? Is it locked? Oh! Yeah, I didn't read the instructions because I already know. It's time to eat the chocolate. Bye.